A while back, I showed you how to get automated timestamps in Excel. So you can see right here, got this automated timestamp here. If I update this, I also get a date and timestamp there, and I get this other stuff too, but most of the time people want date and timestamps. So as you can see here, the VBA code was pretty straightforward, but that's the problem for some people. The word code is a turnoff for many people. So is it possible to collect data and get automated timestamps without learning how to code? Well, the answer is yes, absolutely. In fact, if you can type 4 characters in a text file, it's really that easy. So stick around if you're ready to see how this is done. All right, first thing we want to do is just right click, new text document, and let's just call this diary. Let's open it up. And the very first line went up a .log. And now every time we save this, we're going to have a date and timestamp. Now the line break is going to trigger based on how long your entry is and also how many times you hit enter. So for example, I'm going to put subject begins experiment. Okay. I'm going to hit enter one time, file, save. I'm going to close it, open. Okay. You can see a little gap right there. Now I'm going to put subject is asleep. Okay, file, save, close, open. All right, now I'm going to put subject is awake and has stable vitals. But this time I'm not going to save, I'm just going to close it. Now watch what happens. No date and timestamp right there, but if I hit file, save, now I do. So there you go. It's really that simple. Okay, so the standard text editor in Windows can be picky, and sometimes you'll get something like this where the spacing's a little inconsistent. You're always going to get the timestamp at the bottom, but if the spacing bothers you, you're going to have to either manually fix it yourself, or you can write a script. And I'll write a script for you, and I'm just going to show you a demo how I use PowerShell to fix this. But essentially, you want to open a new text file, and I want to throw in the code right there. I want to say the file as a .ps1 file, so I'm calling this fixed lines, that's fine. Now, I want to be totally clear, this is completely optional. You do not have to do this. It's only if you want to. So I'm going to close this here, and now you can see that new file. So let's right-click, run with PowerShell, and it's going to be really quick. Now let's open that diary file, and there we go. Now, I realize that this video is not about using code, and to be clear, I didn't at all with the log file itself. I'm basically just showing you how to fix the formatting if it bothers you. You could also do something like convert this to a CSV as well, but again, you'd likely need a script for this. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or thoughts, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this. But in the meantime, I'll catch you all later.